Problem is to write a Python program to append to a file. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain. In this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to append to a file. So guys, append over here means that if you have a pre-existing text file and if you want to add some data to it, append will allow us to add data inside that file. Or if you do not have any file or if you do not have any pre-existing file, append will allow you to create a new file and write the data inside it. Or even if there is no data in your file, append would still work and add the data inside it. So let's have a look on how it can be done. To append to a file, on the left hand side I have created a Python file, and on the right hand side I have created a demo.txt file. That means this is a text file. If you want, you can create it with any other name. Just remember that the extension should be .txt. It should be a txt file. And this one, the file in which we are going to write our program, is going to be our .py. That means a Python file. Now how to open this file? Now to work on this file, we will be writing f is equals to open. What do we need to open? We need to open this file. The name of this file is demo.txt. And in which mode we need to open it? We need to open it in the append mode. So append over here means that we will be adding the data inside it to write inside this file. Right now you can see that the file is completely empty, no data is there. So what I'll be doing, I'll be writing f.write. And what do I want to write? For example, I want to say hello and an exclamation mark, and I'll be writing f.close. It is very important to close the file once you are done working inside it. So we have opened a file in the append mode, then we have write the data hello, and then we have written f.close. Now let's run and see what would happen if I run this code. As soon as we have run the code, you can clearly see that in the demo.txt we have hello. And if I check it over here at the bottom, there would be no text over here in the Python, right? But in the demo.txt, we have our hello. That means the word that we wanted it to write. Okay, suppose I want to add some more thing. Like that, I want to write how are you. And if I run this, what you would notice is that this how are you is not coming in the new line, but it is coming exactly right after the hello and without even a space. So what to do in that case? In that case, you can just write a backslash and n over here. A backslash and n means that whatever is the next text, it is going to be inside the next line. So now if I run it, you can see in the new line it is written how are you. So this is how you can write inside the new line. And suppose if you want to write something multiple times, so what I would do in that case, I'll be writing a variable. Let's say I'm creating a variable called as text. Text is equals to, let's say I want to write hope you are doing well. Okay, once you have written this, what I'll be using a for loop to write this 5 times inside my file. To write that, I'll be taking for I in range 1 to 5, or you can take 0 to 5 or 1 to 5, choice is totally up to you. So if I take 0 to 5, in that case it would be printing it 5 times. And what do we need to write? We need to f.write, and inside I'll pass my text variable that this text we have to write 5 times. Okay, let's run and see what output would come. So if I run it, you can now see over here that I have hope you are doing well, hope you are doing well, hope you are doing well, hope you are doing well in one single line. So what I could have also done is put a backslash over here, put n, and now again if I run it, you will now see hope you are doing well, hope you are doing well is 5 times over here in 5 different lines. It is because of the backslash and n that we have used in the starting. So I hope guys that how we can write a text inside a file with the help of Python is clear to you. All we need to do is first of all open the file in the append mode. Append mode allows us to add some data to the pre-existing data. After that, you can create a variable called as text if you want to write it multiple times, or if you want to write something a single time, then in that case you can write f.write and write any data that you want to write inside your file, for example hello. And to avoid writing it inside the same line, you can put a backslash and n so that it would move to the next line. So if I run it again, it would print hello and hope you are doing well 5 times. So I hope you guys have no doubts and no questions. For the link of this code, you can check our description, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.